My Swift car tire got puncture. Using soap water to find puncture portion. Now we can see bubbles in puncture side. This is my puncture toolkit. The nail that cased the puncture has gone into the tire. In this situation, it cannot get it out. Use this tool and make a hole in puncture position. This weapon should be inserted into the puncture area. After that, doing like this. Taking one puncture strip. Apply gum into strip. Do not fully insert the strip into tire. The tip of the strip should be visible. After that, again applying soap water for checking. You can see no bubbles found. It is very simple. Anyone can do it. Thank you guys for watching this video.